Number 20, Capistrano. Pass to number 47. Up step, nakakuha sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20, Capistrano. 7 seconds to shoot. Illegal screen tayo. Number 8, guarded by number 22. Pinasa ay 47 Loreto. Ball 2. Wala. Rebound number 3. Pass to ilalim is jumper. Wala. Na-rebound. Hinayaan na pala po tayo na ba siya? Ano tayo maminyo? Ba't wala na kayong timeout? Number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 8 on the stairs for 3. Back to Rigo. Tingnan na naman. Seconds. For 3, back to Rigo. 50 seconds. 13 seconds. Capistrano on the drive. Pasay number 12, 2 points. Shout out kay Ron. Number 20. 19 seconds to shoot. Passes to number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. 0-3 is jumper. Number 14. And number 20 now. How is done? 20 is layup. 2 points again. 10 seconds.